on Friday, you had the task of determining if 3 segments can always make a triangle. So you had lots of little strips of paper like this, and you had to determine, can I always make a triangle? We know a triangle is 3 sides, but do 3 sides always make a triangle? And as you were making your triangles, you should have discovered that that answer is no. So to show or prove that that answer is no, we're going to slide these little things out of the way. Okay? So if I tried to make a triangle with a 6-inch piece of paper, a 2-inch, and a 1-inch, there is no way that I can make a triangle out of that and close it. There's going to be a gap, so that's not going to work. Okay? Now, if I try something different, let's see. Here's a 5-inch strip. So if I take that 5, the 2, the 5, and the 6, then I can make a triangle. So the hope was that last week you would realize, basically, if you have 2 little and 1 big, you don't make a triangle. So what happens exactly when we can make that triangle, okay? So that's what we want to try to write real quickly, is when do we know for sure, without trying to cut strips of paper all the time and make a triangle, what really happens. So we know that if we focus on our 2 smaller sides, let's see, so the 2 smaller sides must add up. I could have used the word sum instead of adding up. So if you notice, if you add 5 and 2 together, you get 7. So that 7 is greater than 6. So the 2 smaller sides must add up to be more than or larger than the 3rd side, which is the longer side. So when you do your activity today, you're going to think about, okay, if I notice that you have to find the 2 smaller ones first. So I'm going to find the 5 and the 2. If I have the 5 and the 2 that add to give me 7, that's bigger than the 6. So I know that, yes, that can be a triangle. Now if I come back and put my 1, excuse me, can't hold on to this paper. So the 1 and the 2 smaller sides, so 2 and 1 add up to give me 3, and 3 is smaller, so that's not going to work to give me a triangle. So I'm thinking it's about 15 questions for you, and you need to start to determine, yes, it is a triangle, or no, that is not.